thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intent.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike Sasser, boudoir photographer in Los Angeles, California, and we are going to get right into this Vespa boudoir photo shoot. So why am I even doing a boudoir shoot on a Vespa? Do I need a reason? I shoot what I want. So I got this Vespa Scooter recently, which totally actually makes sense now looking back on it, considering what a daredevil I've been for my entire life. Her name is Roxy Sprocket. I mean, look at her. I couldn't resist taking some sexy photos with her. Also, as a side note, this can be a great way to get repeat client bookings, to have something new or different at your studio that you're shooting. This could come in the form of themed shoots, like a Halloween shoot or a 50 Shades of Grey shoot. This could come with offering like limited beach sessions or renting a really epic house for the weekend and then stacking photo shoots the whole weekend. Or of course, you could get something like a scooter or motorcycle to have something different than their first boudoir shoot with you. Of course, all limited time stuff. You guys know the drill.
So go ahead and hop up. And I'm gonna shoot from here this way. This guy, so what are we using today? So this is the Fuji GFX 50R with the 65mm Mitacon 1.4. This is a manual focus lens, so we're manual focusing today. That's fun. It's fun, I promise. It's not fun.
Bought a bunch of these cool hair ties, but didn't have a clue on how to put them on.
I think it looks cute. Yeah.
Yes,
I think
it was amazing.
I think it matches her outfit really
This
well.
is way, way past anything that I could have done with the hair. So glad you're here.
Me too, yeah.
I was super disappointed about the cloudy weather here. I feel like it just looked really bland. So make sure you stick around for when the sun actually came out and we got this amazing glow.
That's great. It's a good idea to always try all the poses you want your models to get into to see how, if it feels natural or what it might do. It's a little tricky because I'm about 6 inches taller than she is, but anytime you get like bent limbs and stuff, that's kind of what you're going for, but that's kind of a little tricky here. We might try one where you're like kind of half off of the seat, and that way it'll be a little easier for you to reach and point your foot like that. But until then, let's go ahead and have you hop on and we'll just do some like tossing on the makeup. Oh baby, it is glowing now. Where's our sun? Okay, we're just gonna take this out to the street. We'll put you on and I'll turn the key on. I'm just kidding.
I'd let you do that. I'd be like, we should film him doing that.
And I'm gonna shoot from this way down here. Basically what we wanna do is as much toe point as we can. Yeah, this is gonna be great. We just needed the sun. Okay, I love that.
I was really loving the shots that we were getting here, but something was missing. I wanted a little bit more foreground element. I went ahead and took these bamboo planter boxes and pulled them a little bit more into the frame so we get a little bit more of that depth in the image.
Oh my god, I love that. Oh my god, that is so epic.
I'm holding this. Just swing your feet out this way so they're just like dangling.
So like, off of it?
Yeah. Okay, and maybe like crisscross your feet or something. And then, yes, exactly. How good does that look?
With boudoir clients, the goal is to get a ton of variety. The more variety in your pictures, the more photos your clients can buy. But I've tried to shy away from that mentality during these creative shoots. Once I get into a groove of something that I'm really liking, I've tried to see how far I can push it with tiny variations to get that one photo that's really gonna stand out.
Oh wow, oh my god, I love that one.
Okay, let's play around with your head tilt a little bit. Yes, I love that. Take this hand and maybe like on your thigh here. Okay, eyes down that way, nose too. That's great. Tall. There you go. Perfect. Okay, peeking down towards the headlamp. That's great. Okay, now peeking down towards this box of bamboo. iPhone video. Gotta get the content. You guys on the content on Instagram? That's what we're doing here. Okay, yep, I love that. So I think we're gonna have you almost like you're about to like hop up onto it. So this leg will be nice and pointed and you'll be here and you'll just kind of have your back arched and then we'll see what that looks like. Okay, eyes down. Stay there. And then I just need you as tiptoe as you could possibly be. Yes. You're gonna thank me later. Maybe you won't, but that's great. Love that. Oh, I'm at my max here. Sorry. Okay, stay there. So the next one is gonna be like, if you could, kind of like this, but I don't think you're gonna be able to. So I think we're gonna do it from here. So you're just gonna do this, and then you're just gonna lift your butt off of the seat a little bit, so it's not like smashed.
Okay.
Okay? Oh, she can do it. On the tiptoes, let's go. Yes, right there. Wow, this is gorgeous. So good, you can relax for a second. Ha! Peek at that one. So a lot of people think you need like sunset light in order for it to be good, but in this case, it's 11 a.m. right now. You just need enough light behind to create this little halo effect, and especially since she's got so much hair, it's blocking a lot of like, on guys, it's the ears, right? It comes back and it highlights the ears. You see all those blood vessels. But on women, when they've got the hair, it doesn't do that. It just highlights the hair. Yeah, I thought we were gonna need to do it like maybe earlier in the morning or something, but 11 o'clock, as long as you've got it directional, you know, the light's coming from behind them, you're in really good shape. That's what I think. I don't know what you think, but that's what I think. Maybe straddle it backwards. So maybe we'll have your butt here and your feet, you'll be like this way.
Okay.
We're gonna see what that looks like. Let me know if it's too hot.
It's fine.
It's toasty, but it works.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna get real crazy. And pull all your hair towards me. And then the only other big thing with this is I want for your back, you're gonna be like a lot, as much as you can. This looks so good. Arch back again. Exactly. And then you can kind of peek down this way. Yeah, right there is amazing. That's perfect. That's the shot right there. Point those toes even more. I just want to feel like I got one more. Oh, the helmet. Let's do the helmet.
Oh, it's glittery.
Bear no expense. Okay, so I don't know how big your head is, but my head's kind of big, so it should be able to fit. Yes. Does it give you a little chipmunk cheeks? Your head might be bigger than my head.
So we are getting to some of the last photos of this photo shoot, and it is super common for the photos to become a little bit more risque as we progress. I talk about this a lot in my Double Your Poses course. You guys can check out a link for that below. But as they get more comfortable and as you build more trust and as they become more confident, it can open up the possibilities of what you can shoot.
Keep doing that, like head down and keep throwing it over. And do that same thing, but just sit up a little taller. Right there. Okay, eyes at me.
Woo! And my hair looks so amazing too.
It looks amazing. Well, that turned out incredible. I'm so happy the sun came out. I was like, gonna be honest, I was a little, but it came out. We got exactly what I wanted, so thank you so much. That went great. I haven't seen the pictures yet, but you guys have seen some of the pictures. I'm gonna assume that the pictures are good. If not, you won't see this video at all, so.
Let me know in the comments what you guys learned the most, and to help you continue learning, I've got a few free resources for you. If you don't already know, I've got a Facebook group specifically for boudoir photographers. We're talking about business, we're sharing pictures. It's an incredible community helping you reach your goals. The next free resource you're gonna wanna check out is my exclusive newsletter. This is going to send you videos and emails with boudoir business tips, tricks, and some videos that I can't share here on YouTube. And lastly, my Instagram page, which is probably the best way to communicate with me. So I'll leave links for all of that down below the like button, my Facebook group, Instagram name, exclusive newsletter where you can go sign up for that, and the link to that Double Your Poses course that I mentioned earlier in this video. Oh, you guys pop your neck? Let's do type something about popping your neck if you make it to the end of this video. Go ahead and put that down in the comments so that I know that you watched until the end. Another treat for me. Thank you for sharing your time with me. I hope this video was enjoyable for you, and I will see you in the next video.